Hello lovely viewers, welcome to my channel Barun Education. So today I'm going to share an interesting topic actually. Topic is that so many times we think if you are a educated person then I cannot talk with them, because educated person can speak very good way but we cannot speak very good way. But actually you're practicing but you don't have confidence to speak with educated person. So many times we think actually we are thinking like educated person can speak very good way but actually we cannot speak English very good way with them or like them. But it is totally wrong actually. English is just a language. If you practice every day, if you actually working on yourself, then really your English, your skill will be improved, because English is just a language. Like a skill we can think, but actually we are thinking, we do difference between like educated person actually and like simple persons. If you are like simple persons but actually you are practicing every single day for your speaking English, but you think again you can speak English with them, because educated person have a good knowledge about spoken English, but spoken English really is not a like a subject. It is totally a skill, or it is totally a language. So if you practice English, if you speak English, if you do hard work, really you can improve your English speaking skills. Otherwise you cannot speak English very good way, because so many MA in English, PhD in English I talk, but I feel really they cannot speak English very good way, like actually whatever I feel that time. So it is really actually I feel, and you should not feel. Actually one friend told me these questions of actually answer like educated so many times we think educated person can speak English very good way, but actually we cannot speak English very good way because actually we are not an educated person. But it is not like that, because if you want to learn English language, but or if you want to speak English language very good way, so it is not important to learn English grammar or English subject. English subject or English grammar is other thing, and English speaking or spoken English is the other thing. Like suppose if you are from West Bengal and you have a good command of Bengali language, and one person from other state like Orissa or Jharkhand, are they actually he is doing masters or PhD in Bengali, but you are actually from West Bengal, so you can speak very good Bengali, or he can speak very good Bengali. He is doing PhD in Bengali. Really, in my opinion, or you can feel actually, it's a very practical thing. He cannot speak English very good way like you, but you can speak Bengali very good way, because it is your mother language. So that's why actually you can speak very good way, because you practice a lot from your childhood. You listen, you learn, you speak so many times in English. So it means if you practice English, if you use English, if you actually do hard work on this language, then you can speak very good way. So you should not think like I cannot speak English like an educated person. Educated person have, you can say educated person has good command over grammar, knowledge of that subject, not language. So you should not think like that. Every time you should think, if I am practicing, then I can speak better than them, I can speak very good way. You have to think every time, because you are practicing English, so you have to believe in yourself. After that you have to difference between educated person or simple practice person. So this is my message for this. Actually educated person can speak very good way, or simple practice speaking English very good way actually. So that's my message, and I deliver with these videos. If you have any query, if you have any doubt, or if you have any like if you suggest me you should upload on this video, you should upload on this topic or this actually matter, then obviously I will upload that kind of videos if you recommend me. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and see you again.